Life is like a roller coaster ride full of thrilling ups and downs that test our strength and resilience. But have you ever wondered how some people seem to bounce back from setbacks with ease, while others struggle to get back on their feet? The difference, my friends, lies in their mindset, their ability to adapt, learn, and grow from life's inevitable challenges. Welcome to another enlightening episode of our platform where we dive deep into the human experience, and today we are discussing the fascinating topic of bouncing back stronger than ever. Have you ever encountered someone who faced a significant setback but came out of it stronger, wiser, and more determined than before? Today we're going to explore the psychology behind bouncing back from adversity and how you can cultivate this powerful skill in your own life. We will delve into the mindset, habits, and strategies that can help you turn your setbacks into springboards for success. Get ready to discover how you can not only bounce back but also thrive after experiencing life's ups and downs. So, grab a notebook, settle in, and get ready to unlock the secrets of bouncing back stronger than ever. No one. Embracing a growth mindset. The first step towards becoming stronger when facing setbacks is adopting a growth mindset. This is a way of thinking that was popularized by the Stanford University psychologist Carol Duquette. A growth mindset is based on the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, learning, and persistence. On the other hand, a fixed mindset is the belief that abilities are innate and unchangeable. People with a fixed mindset often avoid challenges and give up easily when they encounter setbacks. They may feel the need to protect their self-image or feel threatened by the possibility of failure. However, those with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. They embrace feedback, learn from their mistakes, and persist in the face of setbacks. This mindset allows them to bounce back quickly because they understand that failure is just a temporary setback and not a reflection of their worth. It's important to note that having a growth mindset doesn't mean always feeling motivated or never experiencing setbacks. Instead, it's about having the mental toughness to pick yourself up and keep going even when you feel like giving up. By adopting a growth mindset, you can train your brain to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than threats to your self-esteem. You must learn from your mistakes and use them to improve. Remember, it's not the strongest of the species that survives, but the most adaptable. 2. Practicing self-compassion. When facing setbacks, it's crucial to treat yourself with kindness and understanding rather than resorting to self-blame or criticism. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same care and understanding that you would offer to a loved one. It means acknowledging your struggles without judgment and recognizing that you're doing the best you can. Many people tend to blame themselves for their failures, which can lead to negative emotions and self-destructive behaviors. However, self-compassion allows you to acknowledge your mistakes without judgment and focus on learning from them. By practicing self-compassion, you can reduce the negative impact of setbacks and bounce back faster. It's essential to remember that everyone makes mistakes and experiences setbacks. The key is to learn from them and move forward. Self-compassion is a powerful tool that can help you overcome challenges and become stronger. 3. Focusing on what you can control. In the face of adversity, it's easy to get caught up in a whirlwind of negative thoughts and emotions. You may find yourself constantly worrying about what could go wrong or feeling overwhelmed by the challenges you need to overcome. However, it's crucial to remember that worrying won't change the outcome. Instead, it will only amplify your stress and prevent you from moving forward. That is essential to focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. By focusing on what you can control, you can take proactive steps towards overcoming your challenges and achieving your goals. For example, if you're feeling stuck in your career, instead of worrying about the lack of opportunities, you can focus on updating your resume and networking with professionals in your field. If you're facing personal challenges, instead of worrying about the past, you can focus on the present moment and take small steps towards creating the life you want. By adopting this mindset, you can regain a sense of control over your life and bounce back from setbacks more quickly. Remember, the obstacle is the path, as the famous Zen proverb goes. So focus on the things you can influence and let go of the rest. 4. Cultivating optimism. Optimism is a powerful tool that can help you bounce back from setbacks and challenges in life. Having an optimistic mindset means expecting positive outcomes and believing in your ability to overcome obstacles. When faced with a setback, optimists tend to focus on the good things in their lives and believe that better days are ahead. On the other hand, pessimists tend to dwell on the negative and expect the worst. Research has shown that optimists are more likely to bounce back from setbacks and challenges, cope with stress more effectively, and have better overall mental health. To cultivate optimism, you can start by practicing gratitude for the positive things in your life. You can also use positive affirmations to challenge negative thoughts and focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Remember, optimism is a choice, and by choosing to be optimistic, you can set yourself up for success. No. 5. Building a support system. One of the most crucial factors in bouncing back from a setback is having a strong support system. Your support system includes family, friends, colleagues, mentors, or anyone who provides you with emotional, practical, or financial assistance when you need it. Having people to lean on can make all the difference when you're struggling to cope with a setback. Research has shown that individuals with strong social connections are better able to cope with stress and recover from setbacks. To build a strong support system, you must nurture your existing relationships and reach out to new people. This can include joining clubs or groups related to your interests, volunteering, or simply being friendly and open to meeting new people. It's essential to choose your friends wisely and surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals. Remember, you can't do everything alone. By reaching out to others, you'll not only alleviate your burden, but also gain valuable insights and perspectives that can help you bounce back stronger than ever. No. 6. Setting short-term goals when facing setbacks. It's crucial to stay focused and motivated to bounce back quickly. One way to achieve this is by setting short-term goals. Short-term goals are objectives that you can achieve within a few days or weeks and should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When you set short-term goals, you give yourself a sense of direction and purpose, which can help you stay focused and motivated. For example, if you're feeling overwhelmed by a big project, break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks and set deadlines for each task. By setting short-term goals, you can create a sense of urgency and accountability, which can help you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Additionally, achieving these short-term goals can give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your confidence, which can help you tackle the bigger challenges ahead. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So break down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable steps and celebrate your successes along the way. No. 7. Practicing mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help you focus on the present moment and let go of negative thoughts and emotions. This can be achieved through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply by paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you can better understand your emotions and reactions, which can help you make more rational decisions and cope with stress more effectively. Studies have shown that mindfulness can help reduce anxiety and depression, improve emotional regulation, and enhance overall mental well-being. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, you can train your brain to be more present and focused, which can help you bounce back from setbacks more quickly. No. 8. Learning from setbacks. Setbacks and failures are inevitable parts of life, but how you respond to them can make all the difference. Instead of letting setbacks define you, learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth. Analyze the situation to understand what went wrong and what you could have done differently. Then make a plan to improve and try again. This process of learning from your mistakes and adapting is essential for personal and professional growth. By embracing challenges and learning from them, you can become more resilient and better equipped to handle future setbacks. Moreover, don't be afraid to ask for feedback from others, as they may offer valuable insights into your blind spots and areas for improvement. Remember, it's not the strongest of the species that survives, but the most adaptable. Number 9. Taking care of yourself. In facing setbacks, it's crucial to prioritize self-care to maintain your physical and mental well-being. Setbacks can take a toll on your emotions, energy levels, and overall health, making it essential to take breaks, relax, and recharge. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you unwind, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat healthy foods, and exercise regularly, as these habits can help boost your mood and increase your resilience. It's also essential to maintain a positive attitude and focus on the things you can control. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. By taking care of yourself, you will be better equipped to handle the challenges that come your way and bounce back stronger than ever. Number 10. Celebrating small wins. Celebrating small wins is an effective strategy to maintain motivation and momentum when facing setbacks. By acknowledging and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small they may seem, you can stay focused and committed to your goals. This can help you build confidence and maintain a positive mindset when things get tough. To celebrate your wins, take some time to acknowledge your accomplishments and reward yourself with something you enjoy. This can be a simple treat like a cup of coffee, or a more significant celebration like a night out with friends. By taking the time to appreciate your successes, you can reinforce positive behaviors and motivate yourself to keep going. Remember, the key to bouncing back stronger than ever is to stay positive, focused, and persistent in the face of adversity. We hope that these 10 tips have provided you with valuable insights and strategies to help you bounce back from any setback that comes your way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to stay resilient and keep bouncing back stronger than ever.